What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I decided to stay at this location a little bit longer because I really love their home decor aisle. They have a really nice selection of items like all the time, from trinket trays to all sorts of cute home decor. I think the pineapple one is so cute. Look at that. There were some new items that I discovered during my live that I wanted to share with you guys. These cute little succulent pieces here. I think this one is my favorite. Super cute. And you just set it down on your desk or your shelf. This doesn't have a hook on the back, but those are definitely new for the week. This location just has so many different little wall plaques. I've taken my time in here and shared all of these with you guys pretty recently, so I don't think I'm going to do that today. I think these brushes are new this week, the double-sided brushes. We also have this style of brush, and then we have some brand new pet mats, pet bowl placements. They're really silky. We have blue, pink, gray, and they all have the little paw on them. Teal, blue, pink, and gray. And then these are new also for the kitties. New for the kitties. Okay, you guys hear me out on this one. If you have babies or toddlers, let's just say toddlers, this would be the perfect size placemat, and it's non-stick and it would wash and dry really well. I would just actually wash it and air dry it, but this would be so cute. Let's just say maybe 2, 3, 4-year-old. Really, really cute, especially if they love cats. The disposable shoe covers, 12 to a box. That's my first time seeing those here. Touchscreen gloves. Wow, these ones are really sturdy. I need some super sturdy ones. Yeah, I think I want to get some of these. And then, what are these? Okay, these are touchscreen as well. So we have a couple touchscreen varieties, but I think I want to get this pair. I was contemplating getting these, but I think I want to get a really heavy duty one. Maybe I should just get a few. So the super heavy duty one, and these are definitely heavy duty, only come in these colors, I think. Yeah, just in these colors. I decided to come all the way over here to the other side of the store, and I'm finding brand new items. This Fresh and Clean Palmolive is brand new. We also have the, which one is this? Vibrant Citrus. I always want to get this one because it looks so pretty, but I really don't need any dish soap. Ooh, lavender and lime. We also have a citrus lemon palmolive that's brand new. We have Gain this week too. Dawn Brillo Oxy Power Cleaner. Active oxide formula. I think this is brand new. You guys know Lime Away is name brand and goes for a lot more. Last time I was in here, I was telling you guys about this, and this is a dupe for Method, but this is just the shower cleaner, just to like spray to like, you know, keep the grime down in your shower in fresh scent. There's also another one in yellow, but that's like a multi-surface. We have Spick and Span. We finally gotten to the point to where it's printed on our cleaners, kills the virus that causes COVID-19. We have the Fresh Lavender, also in Spick and Span. Tidy Bowl, Chloralin. I love looking at cleaning supplies. We have another one here, but I think it's a duplicate. Yeah, it is. Lysol wipes. Oh, here's the other one I was telling you guys about. This one here, that's also a dupe for Method. So this location has both varieties. If this is your first time seeing both varieties, we have the Fresh Scent shower cleaner and the Fresh Scent bathroom cleaner. This smells amazing, you guys, if you've never tried it. And then you can't go wrong. I love this one. You can't go wrong with any of the Fabulosos. Excuse me. Pine Glow Orange, Pine Glow Original, Pine Glow Ocean. Those are all really big bottles, 48 ounces. We also have some Brillo furniture polishes that are new. We have citrus and lemon. Downy. Wow, that smells really good. Those are the Fresh Protect. We have the extra liquid fabric softener in Tropical Passion. Extra in-wash color absorbers, 12 in a box. Those are new. Little extras, these are new. It says 15 loads. I think it's really concentrated. Look at the cap, you guys, it's so tiny, super tiny. They say we really overuse our soap anyways. We also have this one. All the experts say we really don't need as much as we actually use because it just ends up coating our clothes and then doesn't really get them very clean. What do you guys think about that? That was Hawaiian. That was Hawaiian. And then we have Berry Blast. These are so pretty. And then we have, wait, another Berry Blast? Both of these are Berry Blast. These are so pretty. So pretty. And then these are the hard, like solid pieces, like the block. You just twist it. Again, Hawaiian, Berry Blast, Lavender, and Fresh Linen. And then we also have another like solid block, 6 ounces. These are 9 ounces. I don't know if you just open it or what do you do? And I think this design is totally new. Yeah. 25% more. It's quite a bit of product. We have Glade up here, Lemon, Hawaiian Breeze, Cashmere Woods, Clean Linen. Excuse me. And then all of the Airwick essential oils are still here. I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok use their more expensive Bath and Body Works diffusers and then like pop out the little piece and basically pour in whatever affordable brand they have. I'm all for that. I like that idea. especially if you have something that you really think looks cute and you just have lots of other scents that you like from other brands, definitely give it a shot. I think this is new. Wake up and smell the coffee. Yeah, you guys, I think that's about it for me in here. I have a lot of other filming and errands to do for the day. So you guys, thank you so much for coming with me to Dollar Tree. Let me know what you would love to see next. Maybe there's a certain area in the store that you'd like to see. Just let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you save money, and just definitely drop it in the comments, whatever you want to see. I'm here to show it. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.